Good morning, doctor and all my friends. We are from my tech team. My name is Ti Tian.
My name is Lai Ning Ân.
My name is T1
My name is Lim Ling.
Today, we will present an overview of our system documentation for the Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub version 3. Next. The first part is architectural rationale. The architectural diagram for Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub, we choose the MVC architecture patterns because this is clear separation of concern, which is model, view, and controller, ideal for multi-user, modular, and scalable systems, and it can also enhance maintainability, collaboration, and reusability. This project fit with model, which is manage mental health data, AI recommendation, user profiles, and the view is for custom interface for student, counselor, faculty, and administrator, and the controller is for orchestrators, logic input, handling, and secure data flow. The benefit of this patterns is supports PWA compatibility, cross-device responsiveness, centralized integration with SSO, LMS, AI, and telehealth tools, promotes security AES-256, GDPR, HIPAA, FERPA compliance, and the last one is enables agile-based development and robust testing.
Okay, now I would like to present about the architecture views, which shows the system structure, behavior, and deployment. And it divides into 5 views. And the first view is use case view, show user interaction and system functionality. And the second one is logical view, describe system structure. And third one, process view, focus on system behavior, processes, and performance. And the next one is implementation view, covers software components and code organization. And the fifth one is physical view, shows system deployment and on hardware infrastructure. Okay, for the first one, use case view, we used to show the key interactions between the users and the system and focus on highlights functional requirements from stakeholder perspective. And a core interaction for each user role, which including login, used to secure access for all users, and learning modules, access for students and faculty. AI mood tracking, used by students and monitored by counselors. And next one, forum participation allows discussion among students and faculty. Telehealth booking, used by students to schedule counseling session, and analytics, used for students and counselor, faculty, and admin. Okay, for the implementation view, we use the model view controller pattern, display the main system components, which include the web client server database, and show how they are connected to develop core features. And next one is the overall package diagram. It illustrates the high-level structure of the system by grouping feature into 5 packages. Okay, the first package is the core system subsystem. This package is used to break down core functionalities like login and learning modules into smaller components for easier management. And the second package for analysis module subsystem represent the AI and mood tracking parts of the system, showing how analysis-related features are organized. And the third package is for counseling module subsystem, shows the components that handle telehealth booking and digital prescription for counselor and students. Next one is for faculty module subsystem. This includes the package for alert submission and faculty training, helping lecturers support student mental health. The next one is for admin module subsystem, focus on admin tasks like building analytics and monitoring system performance. And now the next one is the logical view, which details the object-oriented structure of the system through class diagram by defined classes, relationship, and responsibility. And this is the class diagram for core system subsystem. And it will use to define the classes and their relationships that support login and learning module functions. And the next one is the class diagram for analysis module system, which outline the AI module, mood records, and how emotional data is processed. Next one is for counseling module subsystem, which covers entity like counselor, appointment, and digital prescription used for managing therapy sessions. And next one is for faculty module subsystem, which displays the faculty-related classes for alerts and training tracking. Next one is the class diagram for admin module subsystem, which includes dashboard and reporting related classes that help admins monitor the system. Okay, the other view is process view, which focuses on runtime behavior and control the flow and messaging between the components. The first subsequent diagram for login is show how the user logs in using their credentials and is directed to correct dashboard and based on their role. And the second sequence diagrams is for access learning modules, which illustrate how a student select, completes, and earn badge from mental health learning modules. And the third sequence diagram for track mood explain how a student submits mood input, which is analyzed by AI and displays on their dashboard. And next one is for book telehealth session, shows a student chooses a counselor and posts a video therapy sessions. And the fifth sequence diagram for join peer forum demonstrate how a student anonymously posts in a forum and the post goes through moderation. And next one is for receive AI recommendation, describe how the system analyze user analysis activities and shows personalizer mental health tips or resources. And the seventh sequence diagram for alert counseling team explain how a faculty member submit an alert about a student in distress, which is sent to a counselor. Next one is for view analytic dashboard, shows how an admin apply filters to view usage reports and mental health trends on the dashboard. And the other one is prescribed digitally, which illustrate how a counselor selects and assigns digital content to students after the therapy session. And the 10th sequence diagram for complete faculty training dashboard demonstrate about how a faculty member completes training modules and receive a certificate upon passing. And the last view is physical deployment view, which is a cloud native architecture and a high availability, scalability, and fault tolerance view. Okay, this deployment diagram shows how the system is deployed in the cloud, including client device, web servers, app servers, and database. Next.
For the data design, MyTech database is a relation database with 14 core entities, which entities are designed with inherited relationships and role-specific logic to support personalized features for all users. Entity inheritance is for the all user roles. They are student, counselor, faculty, administrator. It's inherent from the base user entity. For the data security and privacy, entities such as mood record, alert, and digital prescription are structured to comply with privacy-based practice. For example, limited visibility encryption is ready attributes. For the relationships, there are list track historical action for the users such as mood history and alert history. For the support for AI and analytics, there are data structures like sentiment score, AI mode version, and insight generated prepare the system for intelligent mental health monitoring. For the last one, scalability consideration, modular entity design will support growth to over 10,000 users to ensuring system responsiveness and integrity. Next. The first entity is user, which is described that represents all individuals who can log in, acts as a base class for student, counselor, faculty, and administrator. The key attributes is for the user ID, which is unique user ID, and the email, password, and each other. For the login status are active session for the indicator. Next. The second entity is student. They are described the store's academic details and mental health engagement progress. The key attributes is student ID, matrix number, faculty, program, year of study of the users. For the dashboard is link personalized dashboard, and it will record the mood history, appointment, and related activity list. Next. The third entity is counselor. They are described the store's information about the licensed mental health professionals, which is include the counselor full name, license number, contact info, and ability for the schedule, assigned students, and the session history. Next. The next entity is faculty, which is describe the store's academic staff involved in identifying and reporting students' distress. The key attributes include the faculty ID, full name, department, position, contact email, and the training modules and alert history and the active status. Next entity is administrator. They are described the monitor usage, ensure the compliance, and generate reports. It includes the admin, full name for the department, access level, contact email, and the report history. For example, like compliance status and active status. Next entity is digital prescription. They are described the store's therapeutic resources assigned by counselors. The key attributes is prescription and title and content time and the content link. The status are follow-up required and the notes. Next entity is mood record. They are described to track the student emotional entries for analysis and recommendation. The key attributes is mood recording and student ID and entry date time and input type. They also record the mood label, sentiment score, analysis notes, and AI model version. Next entity is forum. They are described that represents discussion categories in the peer support community. The key attributes is forum ID, title, description, created by admin, the creation date, and the status and the total post moderation level. Next entity is the appointment. They are described that captures telehealth session booking between students and the counselors. The key attributes is appointment between the students and counselor and student ID, schedule time, that time, the duration, minutes, and the status, booking that time, notes, video session link, and reminder sent. Next is training module. It was store faculty mental health training modules. The attributes is module include the module title, description, content link, estimated duration, and the quiz are included. It will give the certification granted, creation date, created by admin, and the status. Next entity is analyst the dashboard. It describes the configuration for admin dashboard to visualize mental health data. The key attributes is dashboard ID, admin ID, filters apply, and the last access. The favorite reports is there include the favorite reports, report, export history, and widget configuration. Next entity is learning module. They are described the interaction, self-paced, mental health, education modules, and the key attributes is module title, description, and will give the badge awarded like creation date and created BY state and the status. Next entity is forum post. It was described the student posts in forums, including any anonymous contributions. It is also include the post ID, forum ID, student ID, content, post that time. They are all is anonymous. The sentiment score, moderation status, flagged by users, visibility status were included in this entity. Next. The last entity is alert. They are described the alert submitted by faculty regarding at-risk students. The key attributes is alert ID, faculty ID, student ID, alert date time, description, and other status in this section. They were reviewed by counselor, action taken is anonymous, then in a priority level. Next.
This slide will explain about user interface design. The Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub is designed as a progressive web app, offering a seamless, responsive experience across desktop and mobile. It is user-centered UI emphasizes simplicity, accuracy, and accessibility to support diverse university roles. First is all users. It includes a login page, a common entry point for all user types. It supports email-based login and institutional single sign-on. Here are the further of all user page. Next is student. First is student dashboard, a central hub for students to monitor mood tracking, receive AI-based recommendations, and view overall process. Second is learning module page, a library offering interactive gamified modules on emotional regulations, stress management, and help-seeking behavior. 3. Third, counseling page. It allows students to book telehealth session and access digital prescriptions. 4 is peer forum page, a moderate space where students can post anonymously and engage with peer support tricks. Counselor. First, counselor dashboard. It provides mood trends, high risk alert, student list, and live access to video section for personal mental health intervention. 4 is faculty. First is faculty training page. It hosts mental health awareness training modules and interactive simulations for identifying distressed students. Third is alert from page. It enables lecturer to submit anonymous concern about student, triggering counselor follow-up. Last is administrator. For analysis dashboard is an overview palette furthering platform user stats, mental health trends analysis, predictive modeling, and resource forecasting.
Next is traceability for this project. The purpose is traceability. The purpose of the traceability is ensure each user story is correctly mapped to its corresponding subsystem or package across development sprint. In this system, we got 5 sprints, and it maintains alignment with Agile artifact, sequence diagram, component, and test cases. It also supports clear requirement tracking from backlog to implementation. And the last one is enhanced project visibility, coverage, and sprint readiness. That's all from us. Thank you.